Hello and welcome. This episode I'm gonna show you how to make cross-load from FMGC number 1 to FMGC number 2 or vice versa. This cross-load is done for navigation database update. We start by choosing cross-load to page number 3/7. Page 3/7. Start cross-load, confirm, and then we press start. Starting cross-loading in progress. Note this cross-load aborted message. It's completely normal. I don't know why it came right here, but I didn't make abort, but it's completely normal. It's continuing and that's completely normal. Please note that above LED independent shows FMGC number 1 and number 2 working in independent mode on A320 Airbus aircraft. We're continuing. Note the countdown, 2 minutes remaining. It's making cross-load from FMGC number 2 to FMGC number 1. This is useful when we have one FMGC updated with navigation database and we want to update the other navigation database to the other FMGC. We're continuing, only 1 minute left. Thirty seconds. And you can see here it's about to complete. FM1, FM2 identical. That's complete. Let's check the date. This is a source computer, so it's already updated. Let's see the other FMGC. We'll make a quick reset for FMGC number 1 and FMGC number 2 from the circuit breaker panel. 49 VU FMGC number 1 circuit breaker and 121 VU circuit breaker panel, FMGC number 2 circuit breaker. Then close both circuit breakers for FMGC number 1 and FMGC number 2. That's how we made quick reset. And now we have both FMGC number 1, number 2 running. We hear that click. It shows that we have both FMGC number 1 and FMGC 2 online, and that the LED distinguishes. It means that cross-load complete and the two computers are in dual mode of operation. Let's check again aircraft status, the date, September 11th. Let's check the other. We'll make quick AFS test from CFDS menu, AFS test from line select key, AFS test. We start making AFS test to test that everything is completely normal. 40 seconds remaining. In progress. As you can see, this is the cross-load for navigation database of aircraft Airbus A320 from FMGC number 2 to FMGC number 1 using the MCDU test pass. for AFS test. That's okay. Now we check again the dates for both computers to make sure that everything is okay. Return to the main menu, data, aircraft status, no LEDs light. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye. Hello.